Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'll show you how to switch data roaming off or on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. The same methodology should work on any Xiaomi, Poco or Redmi devices released in 2026. Right then, first thing to do is to unlock your phone and go to the settings. So in my case I have an app drawer, but it was likely if you've left the standard Xiaomi launcher that it will be in your home screen. Just go to the settings icon. In the settings icon, select mobile networks, and then in this screen you'll see that towards the bottom, second from bottom, you have an option for data roaming. Tap that and you have a drop down that gives you options. In this case you have international roaming. It's set to never. Tap on that and it will give you options. If you select always, it will always switch data roaming on and connect you to networks whilst you're traveling or when you're abroad. For exceptions only, you would need to set up which networks you want to connect to, but in this case I'm going to set on always. You do get an extra warning at the bottom saying that the carrier will charge you a fee after you turn on international data roaming. Turn on anyway. This is up to you. If you're traveling and you do want to connect to a foreign network and you're sure that it's not going to cost you extra, I would say turn on. And then you can set a limit to the amount of data you have in data roaming, set the volume or size of the data, and what to do when you exceed that amount. Most modern data plans do include limits to what you can use whilst you're traveling, so make sure you make the most of this setting. But as things stand at the moment, I've switched data roaming on. Likewise, how do you switch data roaming off when it's on? So, good thing to check before you travel, just in case you want to avoid additional charges. Go to your settings menu, and in the menu go down to data roaming and tap on international roaming and set it to never. This means it won't connect you to foreign networks when you're traveling and avoids you getting data roaming charges. Great. Hopefully this was useful to you. If it isn't, or if you'd like to ask questions, if you'd like to know more, leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.